Um, it was right, to be fair. I really like my flatmates. I feel like with it being first year and kind of you hear the horror stories of halls and like how people are super, super messy and how flatmates are just so inconsiderate. But I got quite lucky. I really did like my housemates. So yeah, I think I had quite a positive experience.
If we put Chesil on a scale of party to study, where would you place it?
I feel like it was definitely more study. I don't think I've ever met someone who's actually picked Chesil by choice. I feel like it's kind of everyone's backup, which to be fair, it's all right. It was one of those things where it's like, you kind of went in there thinking about the worst and it ended up being quite an all right accommodation. But yeah.
Okay. If we, in your second year?
In second year, I was in a house.
And what was it like going from Chesil House to a house?
I think it was all right. I feel like I was with the same people. So I lived with my flatmates from first year. And I think being in a house was nice. I was closer to university for one. So it meant that I didn't have to wake up as early.
Can you announce what area this house was in?
So I was in Winton. So for those who don't know, Bournemouth University is located in Winton.
Is there a reason you chose Winton?
Because it was closer to uni.
Okay.
Yeah. So it was close to uni. It was like walking distance from university, so we didn't have to get the bus or wait for buses. So yeah.